Daf Yomi, Tractate Bava Metzia, page 43a, part 2. With the words V'i Amrit Afilu Nansu. Rav Nachman explains his objection. And if you say that even if the money was taken from the money changer under circumstances beyond his control, he bears responsibility for the money. Why did the Tana specifically teach that the temple treasurer bears responsibility if the money changer spent the money? Even if he did not spend the money, the treasurer should bear responsibility. Since the temple treasurer gave him unbound money, it is tantamount to a loan. The treasurer should be liable for misappropriation at the moment that he gave unbound money to the money changer. Rav Huna said to him, the same is true even if he did not spend the money, and the treasurer is liable the moment he gives the money to the money changer. And since the Tana taught in the first clause of the Mishnah that the money changer is liable if he spent the money, the Tana taught in the latter clause of the Mishnah as well that the treasurer is liable if he spent the money, although he is liable even if he did not spend the money. New Mishnah. With Hasholeach Yad B'Pikadon. With regard to one who misappropriates a deposit, Beit Shammai say, he is penalized for its decrease and its increase. If the value of the deposit decreases, the bailee is liable to pay in accordance with its value at the time of the misappropriation. If it increases in value, he is liable to pay in accordance with its value at the time of repayment. And Beit Hillel say he pays in accordance with its value at the time of removal. Rabbi Kiva says he pays in accordance with its value at the time of the claim. Gemara, the Talmud says, Rabbah says, in a case of this one who robbed another of a barrel of wine, where initially it was worth 1 dinar, and now it is worth 4 dinars, if the robber broke the barrel or drank the wine, he pays 4 dinars. If it broke by itself, he pays 1 dinar. The Gemara elaborates what is the reason for the difference, since if the barrel were intact, it would return to its owner in its original state, and there would be no need to calculate its price. That moment that he drank it, or that moment that he broke it, is the moment that he stole from the owner of the wine. And we learned in a Mishnah, Bava 93b, all robbers pay in accordance with the value of the stolen item at the moment of the robbery. Here, that is 4 dinars. If the barrel broke by itself, the robber pays 1 dinar. What is the reason for this? He did not do anything to the barrel now. Why do you deem him liable to pay? Because of that moment that he robbed the other of it. At that moment, it was worth only 1 dinar. We learned in the Mishnah that Beit Hillel say, one who misappropriates a deposit pays in accordance with its value at the time of removal. The Gemara asks, what is the meaning of in accordance with its value at the time of removal? If we say it means in accordance with its value at the time of its removal from the world, when he drank the wine or when he broke the barrel, that is difficult. The Gemara clarifies the difficulty, and with regard to what case is this referring? If it is with regard to a case where there was a decrease in value before its removal, is there anyone who says that the bailee pays the lower price? But didn't we learn in the Mishnah, all robbers pay in accordance with the value of the stolen item at the moment of the robbery, and no less than that? And if it is with regard to a case where there was an increase in value before its removal, that is the opinion of Shammai, as the one who misappropriates the deposit always pays the higher value And this is not the opinion of Beis Hillel.